Yeah. It's that kid G swag, you ain't heard of me. My boss so sick, something like Hercules. I do it right, my money is stacked so perfectly. I do this for my city and I do this shit consistently. I never slow down, gotta stay on my feet. If you got a question, ask me before I hit the street. And I'm always on my grind for one till I die. Everybody wanna ask me if I do this shit with pride, okay? And how I do it, I just do it like I own it. Everybody wish up on me, say Eugene's going on it. But I'm looking for promotion, not looking for commotion. And I'm counting all this money, watch me throw it in the ocean, okay? It's Ocean Statement getting paid, call it brainless. The money stacks high, smoke blunts till it's brainless. The body shots coming, but it still leaves me painless. And I scream it so loud for one till I'm famous.